Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this section in this video, I just want you to know that trading is not what to tell you it is. Trading is not for you to make daily or monthly income. Trading is meant for you to do financial protection and wealth creation. And when you want wealth, you build it. You don't acquire wealth overnight. Unfortunately, these days, you will see that on internet, there are a lot of people showing you Lamborghini, all this luxury life, and that is what they use to capture your mind. And some of you will go and take a loan, some of you will sell your car or sell your valuable thing and funded a broker's account and thinking that is the way to go. That is not the way to go. Making money in Forex is as hard as making money in any business in the world. But having the skill will put you ahead of other people in the sense that you can do investment on your own. You don't need to put your money somewhere for someone to do investment for you. You can do investment on your own and still have 30, 40, 50% return on investment per year, per annum. So the issue of somebody, I want to give somebody money to double it for me. Somebody said if I can trade, they will give me, I will make 10% per month, 20% per month, or some of your mentors are showing you blue screen of how to turn $1,000 to $1 million. It's a lie. There's nothing like that. So in this video, what I'm going to show you now are the people in my own uh, forum. What we do in our forum is I train you, I give you the skill. I'm a trader, as a pure trader. I give you the skill and we get funding for you. You can see all the people you are seeing here get funded from a broker, not profit. Every picture you are seeing here, they got funded. And some people are trading $5,000 today. Some are trading $20,000. Some are trading. I think the highest person among us now is trading $100,000. So this is how we are doing everything we do in on my platform. So if you have interest to join us, it's not a problem. But because what are one of those things that make um, retail trader to be frustrated is that most of the time, there's a lack of capital. And you see, when people say you just no, you just need $500, $1,000. The question is, can you really build $500 to something you can withdraw from quarterly? I won't say monthly, quarterly. Let's say you are doing 5% on $500 per month. 10% of $500 is $50. That means you are doing $20, $25 per month, and in 3 months you are going to do $75 in 3 months. That is why many retail traders are so frustrated. And at the end of the day, you blow that $500 away. But on this platform, you get a skill. With your $500, we train you, we get you skill that can make a broker to fund you with $5,000. When you make 7% profit on that $5,000, the broker will give you $20,000. And after you trade $20,000 and you made another 7% $20,000, the broker will give you $100,000. Currently, we have at least 3 or 4 people trading $100,000 in our community. And you can get between $5,000 to $1 million with this broker. So this has been happening a lot of retail trader. All the pictures you are seeing here is not manufactured. These are the people that already get funded, are traded funded account. They have done it to the extent that they have made even profit sharing with the broker, because when you made the money, any amount you made in a month, that you don't even need to make 7% in a month before they share with you. If you make 0.01% profit at the end of the month, they're going to share with you, because when you have enough capital, it will relieve you from being frustrated and become aggressive trader in the market. And the funniest thing about this broker is you are not buying anything from them. You are not buying account. You are not buying profit account. You are not paying anybody any dime. You understand what I'm saying? As I'm talking to you now, I have more than 50 to 60 people already qualified trading a funded account, and they already sharing profit with the with the broker. So if you want to join our community, it's free to join. Our training is not something you pay for. You get VPS for 5 months. If you look at this, these are the people that have already got profit sharing with the broker. You see, so it's not that we are creating a story, we are doing. No, I'm not going to show you a car that I'm riding my wristwatch. This is a real thing you need to do. This is information you need, not my lifestyle. If you want to see my lifestyle for you to know that maybe you can come and join me, you are wasting your time, because people that are showing you lifetime are not making money from trading. That's it. No matter the name they call them. All those small kids in Nigeria, in Ghana, and Kenya, they are not making money from trading forex. They're making money as an influencer, as a business, signing a deal with a broker. That is, tell them to show you how many of their students have they helped to succeed, like I'm showing you now. Let's take it from there. So this is the only thing I have for you today. If you have interest, please reach out to me. It costs you zero money. Train you, give you the skill, then qualify for the funding, and you get the money. You don't need to buy anything. You are not buying prop firm. You are not doing a phase one, phase two evaluation. You put your money, your own money, you put it in your account, you trade it, you apply for it, and we teach you how to trade your money to apply for funding. More than all these pictures you are looking are people that have already received funding. And that is only way to go with as a retail trader, to have access to more funds that can make you sustainable as a real trader. And another thing I need to tell you, before you buy signal from anyone, before you do anything with anybody calling themselves mentor, ask for their trading portfolio. This is our trading portfolio for the past 2024. You can see what we have been doing in our own membership. If you join us, this is the kind of a thing you will be seeing. This is May 22, 2026. And you can see what we made in May 2024, May 2025, May 2026 as of today, which is May 22. This is a FX Blue. This is a third-party trading verification platform. So this is how Forex is going to be. Don't let anybody fool you. Don't stop wasting your money. If you join our platform, it costs you nothing, but you cost you your time and your